Custom Traffic Source Configuration. Select the Traffic Sources tab. Next, click on the New button. If your traffic source is not on the list of predefined traffic sources, you could also add your own traffic source. Let's do it. Click Close button. Enter the traffic source name in Traffic Source field. If you want to use postback URL for conversions to the source, switch on Enable Postback and choose Available Tokens. Below you can see 3 required fields here. Marks column, which is used for naming your variable in reports. Parameter, which is entered into your campaign URL's query string, and is directly related to corresponding token. And placeholder, which is a dynamic token you receive from your traffic source. To properly map the parameters and tokens, check your traffic source documentation. Start with the external ID parameter, which is used to track external unique IDs. This parameter is needed when your traffic source requires passing unique ID in their postback to record the conversion on traffic source end. In this section you can also add a cost parameter to automatically track cost using the auto settings in the campaign setup. Remember that not every traffic source supports dynamic cost tracking. You can add all additional custom variables in fields from token 1 to token 14. All parameters and placeholders defined within these fields are automatically appended to the campaign URLs created with the related template. Thank you for watching.